In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your UC browser app. So if you can't use your browser, or whenever you try to open it, it keeps on crashing or it can't open totally, then let me show you how you can fix any problem related to UC browser for once and for all. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, there are quite a number of steps you can take to be able to troubleshoot this app. In the first method, you'll need to go ahead and access the app information page. To do this, just go to settings, and from settings, look for the option called apps, and here it is. Now, under this, look for this option called manage apps or all apps, depending on your smartphone. Now, for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list, scroll and look for your app, and you can see my UC browser is here. Alternatively, you can just search for your app here using the search function here, and once you find it, go ahead and tap on it, and you will be on the app information, and this is where we shall do our first troubleshooting. However, if getting to this app info page is quite tedious for you, let me show you a shortcut method you can use. For that, just go back to your apps, and then once you find your app, go ahead and long press on it, and here you will see app info, and choose this option, and it will take you to the same page, app info page. At this point, now we want to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go ahead and tap on storage, you can see we have a lot of app data, and more especially cache data. Now, when you talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores whenever you use it. Now, the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and clear the cache files or cache data by typing on clear data down here. So under this, choose the second option, which is clear cache, and then okay, and look at that, cache data has been cleared. At this point, restart your smartphone and then try opening your UC browser app, and it should have fixed all the other problems that you are facing. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want again to come to this page, and this time around, go ahead and choose this option called clear all data, and then tap on OK. Then try opening your app, and now because you have cleared all your user data, you'll have a fresh start and your app should start working well. However, if this second method didn't solve your problem, then proceed to the third and the last method to be able to fix any problem with your app. For this, you need to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update for UC browser app. For my case, I'm on Android smartphone, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. I'll tap on Play Store and then search for my app, and here is my app. As you can see, look for option called update under here. If you see any option called update, proceed and tap on update, and it will go ahead and install the latest version of your app on your smartphone. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of your app that might be prone to bugs or other security related issues, and that's why it's not working. Once you have updated it, you will now see this option to open it, and at this point, everything should be up and running without any problem. So that's how you troubleshoot or solve any issue with your UC browser app. If you have another question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.